Heels are in line with the hip points. Spread the fingertips still, claw through the fingertips, ground through the knuckles, tuck the chin into the chest. And just like we did in that twist, we're gonna think about lifting from the base of the pelvis here. And then slowly travel up through the low back, the belly, the mid back, the rib cage. And then we start to open up through the chest. Chin is parallel to the earth, so we're not crunching in the back of the neck. Sphinx pose. Building muscle. Now press into the tops of the feet. You're gonna slowly lead with your nose here. So the nose is gonna begin up or to the side. You can. And we're coming into this Sphinx pose here. Elbows are underneath the shoulders. To come forward as you look towards your hands, we're gonna slide into home here. So dig into the elbows as you slowly lower the belly, the hips to the earth. If you need to make an adjustment with your blanket by pulling